Dear students, here we have the lesson number 7, Rumpelstiltskin. So in this video, we are going to write some of the exercises from the lesson. Here we have the first main. Choose the correct word from the brackets. So as you see, the bracket is provided with the 2 or the 3 options. We need to choose the correct word and fill the blanks. The first one is the king dashed the girl to a room full of straw. Options are given: was shown, showing and showed. So what is the answer? Showed. So the king showed, W-E-D. The king showed the girl to a room full of straw. Here the second one, he told her to dash the straw and left. Options are given: spun, spin, span. So what is the answer? He told her to spin the straw. S-P-I-N, spin. He told her to spin the straw and left. Options, question number C we have, the king's eyes twinkled with dash. The greedy or greed. What is the answer, children? The king's eyes twinkled with greed. G-R-E-E-D, greed. Coming to number 4 question. When he came the next day, she dashed out names. Singing, sang, sung. So the answer for this is she sang out names. S-A-N-G. The second main, you have to make the sentences on our own. So we have the first one, shame. By using the word shame, you should make the sentence on your own. So I have written for you here the answer. There is no shame in losing to a better competitor. So I will underline the shame is used here in the sentence. Number 2, we have spin. The man can spin many reels of thread in a day. So underline spin here. So you can see I have used spin in the sentence. The man can spin many reels of thread in a day. Coming to number 3, greedy. I have made a sentence, we should not be greedy, and I'll just underline it here because I've used greedy here. Coming to number 4, reel. There is a large reel in the spinning room here. So the answer, there is a large reel in the spinning room. Number 5, disappeared. The sun disappeared behind the clouds. The sun disappeared behind the clouds. So you can make your own sentences and you can write. If you wish to make own sentences, you can make your own sentences and write. Here we have the third main, use the correct form of verbs. So the verbs are given: showing, riding, singing, liking, telling and spinning. So here you can observe the help box. They are provided with the 6 verbs. So we need to use the verbs and complete the blanks. The first question. One day the king dashed by the miller's house. One day the king dashed by the miller's house. So the word riding is given. You need to write, one day the king rode by the miller's house. You should use the form of verbs and you need to correct them and you need to write them in the given blanks. So question number 2, we have the miller dashed the king a lie. The miller dashed the king a lie, telling. So you should say the miller told the king a lie. Question number 3. The little man dash spinning. The little man dash spinning. So, what can be the answer? The little man liked spinning. The fourth question. The little man sat down and dashed the straw into gold. The little man sat down and dashed the straw into gold. Let's underline showing and write here showed. Coming to the next one. Every day the king dashed the girl a new room. Every day the king. Just one second. The little man sat down and spun the straw into gold. Just we'll make a correction here. Okay. So here the sorry, I just missed you. The little man sat down and dashed the straw into gold. It is spun. And every day the king showed the girl a new room. Showed. The messenger heard a little man. The messenger heard a little man singing. Okay, you can write here singing. So, dear children, write this exercise very neatly in your notebook and study very nicely. So, I've completed the exercise for you from lesson number 7, Rumpelstiltskin. Kindly copy in your notebook.